How to use YouTube TV with Chromecast. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to use YouTube TV with your Chromecast device. Casting allows you to control YouTube TV from your mobile device or computer and play it on your television through the Chromecast. Let's find out how to do it. To use YouTube TV with Chromecast, you'll need a Chromecast device plugged into your TV and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the device you'll be casting from, which is usually your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You also need the YouTube TV app installed on your mobile device or be using YouTube TV on a web browser like Chrome on your computer. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or go to tv.youtube.com in a Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube TV account. Start playing the content you want to watch. While the content is playing, look for the cast icon. This icon looks like a small television screen with a Wi-Fi signal coming from the bottom left corner. On a mobile device, the cast icon is usually located in the top right corner of the playback screen or within the video player controls. On a computer browser, it might be within the video player controls. Tap or click on the cast icon. A list of available cast devices on your network will appear. Select your Chromecast device from the list. The content you are watching on your phone or computer will now begin playing on your TV through the Chromecast. You can then use your mobile device or computer as a remote control to play, pause, rewind, fast forward, adjust volume, and stop casting. To stop casting, tap or click the cast icon again and select your device from the list, then choose the option to stop casting or disconnect. We hope this video helped you learn how to use YouTube TV with Chromecast. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.